Hi, welcome to Be Green with Amy's Garden. Today we're going to talk about white flies. They're kind of like plant dandruff. Eggplant, tomatoes, okra, and peppers are plants that attract these white flies. I looked up many different ways to treat the white flies. There were a lot of chemicals and all kinds of suggestions, and that wasn't something that I wanted to use in my garden. The organic way to combat these flies is worm tea. And worm tea has excrement of an earthworm, amongst other things, and it kills the white flies. And it's not going to be toxic to you, and it's not going to be toxic to the plants. It's all going to be organic. The worm tea also acts as a fertilizer, not just to kill off aphids or white flies. So what I do is I take this worm tea, which is really concentrated, and I dilute it and put it into a spray bottle. You can spray it under the leaves, over the leaves. Plants have pores, kind of like our skin on the human. The pores open up in the evening, so the best time to spray this worm tea is at the time that the plant's pores are open, so that they can receive the treatment. When you do this treatment, be sure to do it in the evening. And it's not harmful to have it get on your hands because it's all organic, it's all from nature. I hope that helps you with your aphids and your white flies and your plant dandruff. Click up here to subscribe. And until I see you guys again, be strong, be well, and be green! Bye-bye.